So I've had this coat a little while. I bought it secondhand and it's treated me well, but I'm a little bit bored of it. I think it's time to give it a bit of an update.
I'm giving my coat a cosmic makeover using a heat press machine. This is the LokLik Impress. I started by cutting out space-themed motifs on heat transfer vinyl using my LokLik Crafter, which is a craft cutting machine. Heat transfer vinyl comes in different colours, including glitters, perfect to enhance the celestial theme. I laid out my motifs, applied the heat press, then when they were cool I peeled off the vinyl to reveal my designs. Using a heat press is quick and easy to do, and if you don't have a cutting machine, you can still cut out your motifs using scissors. The heat transfer vinyl still works in the same way. Happy crafting!